In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this hood bumper, which is this little threaded rod with a piece of rubber on top that sits right behind each of your headlights, which basically stops the hood from shutting too far or rattling around. I'm going to use a trim tool to start prying this old one up. I'm going to use a trim tool and pry this up, transition to a pry bar, and I'm trying to push in at the same time as I'm pushing or pulling up. There are two clips there that need to pop out or break, or basically they need to let go of this. There it is. Now, assuming your original one was set to the proper height, match the new one so that it can be already set as close as possible. And now line it up and tap it in, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.